How to recover forgotten StarMaker account. So if you want to recover your forgotten StarMaker account, then first you need to open up your StarMaker application. Make sure to install the application from your Play Store or your App Store. And here on the bottom of your screen, you will have login or register option. So simply tap on that. And now you can log in using your Facebook or your Google, or you will have more ways. Tap on that more ways so that you can log in with your email or your phone number. So you can simply choose any one of these options. So I'll be choosing email. And now you need to enter your email address. Simply enter it and then tap on next. So it is not supported temporarily, so you can simply choose your mobile number and then enter your mobile number and tap on next. And now you need to enter your password. So for now, if you have forgotten your password, then you need to recover your account, right? So if you want to recover your account, then you can tap on forgot password. And once you tap on forgot password, they will send you a code to your mobile number. You need to enter that code here. And after entering, now from here you can set a new password. So you need to enter your new password. You need to enter your new password on the first blank and then again confirm your password by again retyping it. So your password needs to be at least 8 to 20 digits, and then it should contain at least a letter and a number. So enter your password and then tap on done, and that's how you will recover your forgotten StarMaker account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.